Ejini cyogero ekozwe kutamba indwara z'umubiri zona nk'imibuburo okucweka k'umubiri mu bana hamwe n'abantu abakuru. Amajita ga cyogero negizira umusayizi zona kandi nagashangwa mu maduka gona umwihanga. Cyogero amasiko g'imibiri yitu.
Odiative wesina kwa chiro makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity kandi rizoba no rwakashatu ebiro na mukaga ebyo kwa 8:20 na mukaga nyina Sande Brand ko turukwija kwisi aho amakuru Agacencwire bitureka tubanze nebijamto
makuru ne kushikibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate mundade tukosa Global Silk Vinyl
singa kwetaga
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
kusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusashulira sente zone.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Omugacencwire kireki RDC wakisora zibira ba Ministry ya Public Service okoresa interviews z'ababire nibendemirmo. Ekiterane cyo kwijwe emyaka 9 ya revival cyatankera izoba omurura harumbarura.
Muri aba bayakire Yesu ukuburu wenda 36.
Imhondano y'amataka omukiko rwamushenyirenjwa ha mutwe omurubiri mbarura.
Ati murebe nkoku
emito y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate mundade tukosa Global Silk Vinyl
Singa kwetaga
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
kusiga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusashulira sente zone.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Mbabazi Charity no Sande Brand agana makuru Agacencwire mbwijire abaturo mgombora yabwambo mu district ya Rwampara bashobanziro banyuma y'injira yihunga okucecereza ibintu byabo hebiruma amaju n'entoce abantu bashaba bebembezi okubakwatira aho babase kutunga obwezi webyo kuriya ahabo kubentoce eziri kubabisaho zona zicecerire.
Ebyare biteganisibwe harimo Rugorogoro, Bushoro, Misibika, Nyamabare na Nyaruhandagazi.
Ngweno bwa hati buryo mowe na coramirirwe ebyara tubitiro munyindo ahabwo kuba twakine cyo kurya entoke mbuzi zifire empunu zagitwarwa mizi omwana ugona gwaterwa umuyaga
heberye mtunga nenyimo kwe kiyungu cyanje kigenzire mwenu mazima nka government mutuyambi abebembezi bitu mustero muranga batwerezo biyambi habo kuba izo ntoke zitu niyebera inkentasiya yitu turukwiha mufizi z'abana
ebintu bisisikiraramo amaju entoke ne kanisa ya Bethel Fruits of Life International Ministries
tutugwerirwa kagwe umuru Rwampara rukandaje bugamba bwa nyuma yuko ya church yitu okutwarwa umuyaga kandi nangwa gutagitwirema batugonka na nekisika kigwire
mbwenu turiho tugwerirwa akagwe nk'abantu b'ekyaro mbwenu nkabire ninshaba bantu barahanga mwine abari ukwe abebembezi b'amadini abebembezi ba gavumenti nkabe ninshaba ngo mutuyambe mutukwatireho
konke icyo kibireho tinka kirebaga habwo kuba imyaka yona tuterwa umuyaga tuterwa ihunga konkeri eritinka rirebaga ihungeri ryizere ryo kuyitwara abantu
bamwe nibajya ntibakine cyo kutamahega banyuma y'intoke zabo kucekerera
na hatoro nizaza kutukoma icyo kurya cyaza kubura n'abana y'ishomero baza kushitama nka district ni twandika report ntugitwara ministry ya Prime Minister's Office, then tuteka no mu disaster preparedness. So tutero muranga abantu mwena himuri abararebe mutirukangirire nk'abantu uko abantu bitubarukubi hari abantu after nkawika barabe batine cyo kuryaho ko bitoki byo nabigwire echo source of income yabona yehwiro
ikintu kubashaba nko bahabuze ubunku bateraho tureke kurebera umuntu asiyemwe yo nkayo rutoki geza aho tunge nkenko kwenyuma ubuye nakabuze nkako ukarisize imbere nkeje yakwikaho atohindura katimba ukereka handi
abebembezi bashira umwanya kandi baraganisa gukora television ngeji na office ya Prime Minister
Dani Ndikumwami omuhwezi wa RDC omuri Kisoro district ayemerize interviews ezibirenezije no misho omu Kisoro district interviews ezi zibiriziye zo kwabante emirimo home district kandi zibirize bembirwe abakacika kari kugaba emirimo aka service commission
abakuru kurwo ministry ya public service nibo babire bizire koresa interviews ezi konko muhezi wa RDC ahabwa Kisoro district abemerize abo kujangu cya person wakacika kari kugaba emirimo no muhandi cyahabwa Kisoro district babire batarho.
And we don't want to create a situation where we cannot answer any single question even if it is from one candidate. So to be fair for everyone, those who are present and those who are absent, who are probably unfairly, maybe those who you have had, maybe those who didn't give money were not shortlisted. If they come up with those issues, we shall be responsible. And now that we know that it can happen, we should not take that responsibility. Let's give it time. We apologize for the amount of money taken, spent on the exercise. But the good thing, the government through Public Service Commission has also spent money to come. If you had not come, you would have said, why did those people come?
Aba ministry bajango kwija kwabo muri Kisoro babirene bakwatagana na secretary konka ko bakireyo bashange ibintu bihindukire
and the trouble there were touching the acting secretary until we reached here and found that yesterday they had issues and they have not had enough time. So for us we have
what is our fate? Because we need to be clear, you need to be clear to us, we know what is going on, what is happening. Surely it is a disservice to us also.
Mukuru wakaciko kari kugaba emirimo ahereze kwatwa aba anti-corruption unit ahabo kutekatekwa ho kuryenguzi kandi ariyo mu cyome wo muhandici ariyo mu kahumuro.
Unfortunately, they could not conduct the activities because of what is going on in Kisoro. They found those ones that had invited them, included the chairperson of the District Service Commission on behalf of the Commission and the Secretary of the District Service Commission. Both of them are not around, as you know. You know what has taken place. Chairman of the District Service Commission, I think, was arrested and still in Kampala. The Secretary is sick, but he's also, I think, wanted. So what we did, we consulted what to do, and we are guided that there is no way we can conduct exercise because, one, those ones who invited the commission people to come are not there, and what happens in case this exercise is conducted and where will they put the results?
Ababire bizire kora interviews batahireno batere ntoma hansi.
Iye neza dusanze ababishinzwe badakoze iki batahari. None batubwiye ngo dutegereze natwe tugiye kwicara dutegereze aho bazongera kutwakurira tuzaza tuzikora kandi ni batazatwakora uko bizaba birangiye tuzategereze ndi advert
like hari abantu bavaga hari abari kuva Kampala abari kuva Kanungu uzi advert yibayeho you apply so expenses izo zabayemo but nukwihangana ntacyo gukora dufite.
Ubwa hati emirimo y'akakiiko akari kugaba emirimo esyarire omuri Kisoro district ahabo kugira ngu tukine bwebembezi bwona. Gashako Kate atuzarirwe
Webereketa tuzarirwe home district ya Kisoro. Obureberezi bwa Ankole rizoba bwatandika kwakira abiciriza abanyadini n'abareberezi okurwa mu Uganda na heru yayo okujaguza emyaka 9 ya revival. Abagambe bakuru mu kiterane ekindi barwo mu Uganda, Kenya, Rwanda n'ahandi.
Gwahwira tukaba turi kabari tujaguze emyaka 9 yo kujunura kabari kandi bwa nyuma y'umwaka January ebiro mukaga nabo akija ababuriza nambwe no butwabire turi kabari umwaka gwahwire akari yo mushija akajunwa ine myaka 10 hata ine myaka 100 wena akabara haha jure suti kuzimana agamba na atambara tine no kumukwata akajunwa wena hati Ankole ekijeta kutungo kujunwa 36 ya January 36 ija ababurizi Paulo Kigozi Yosia Kinuka na Paulo Gahunde abagere Rwanda izire kubura baheza ha wiki roharon babura icyeshongoro cyo mushawa katamani mu kimanya icye cyabana ishongora bajunwa bagaruka busya Paulo Gahunde na Brasio Kigozi icyeshongore cyecu n'amazina natamwa ababaye yakire ngiri yo kujuna mu rwo kubanza bacabere Elieza Mugimba nabandi umwe muri ababaye yakire Yesu ukuburu wenda 36 n'umusigazo babira ine myaka 15 Zabuloni Kabaza wabi nashomera Mbara High School hati umwaka gwa ine myaka 45
Ekiterane ekyatandikira izuba ebirabyo na mukaga n'icyo kuwa Sunday biro 30 by'ukwezi kwa munana umwaka 2026 eki kiri akashuze ruharo obureberezi n'Ankole bakita celebrating 90 years of East African revival in Greater Ankole. Abagambi barengero 20 omuri abareberezi abarukora Greater Ankole n'abandi bahereza ba mukamako
Iheria UPDF ya Engineers Brigade rukwasize abebembezi bantungamo irwaro eritojo wanyuma yo kumara amezi 18 barukuri hunduza.
Abakabanza kuhunduza ishemerezo wadi y'abana kandi bahunduize na wadi y'abashija kandi omurimo gumaze 0 billion 1 million maganana
baterezayo wadi y'abashija eyibakozirete bakosa esente swingana akakikuru kamwe na 1.4 billion runo rujumu akakikuru kamwe na million zingani na bina echo nikimanyisa ati wode bakozire batire mu rooms ezo batekamu amizi batekamu toilets ezukufrashinga kandi no muri yebe byona batekamu private ward.
UPDF yamazire kwereza irwaro ereri o Ministry of Health nito Ministry of Health twahereza irwaro district kugira ngo batandike barakoze so abantu bona bari mu district tubashaba mwije mufuno obujanja bihanu irwaro ryahwa buri kimwe cyahwa mbweno
barukuru kwasa bebembezi bitoje hospital iherya UPDF babashabiro kwata kurunge bukozirwe.
Hand over the keys in the Ministry of Health, our clients. So here are the keys for first phase.
Orukure by'amagara mu district ya Ntungamo najyango ko ruhunduza nkija kwera kongera umuhendo gw'abarwire nuko kushaba government okubongera abashaho
aho kuba kujangirwa ryito bari hunduza ni expecting kujango inamba y'abarwire yaza kweyongera kandi kweyongera cyamayisa mutiza kutunga mu demand ya kushanga mutetaga abashaho abakugu kandi abari kwemarira ngwini kashabira government kubasa kutwongera weji tukabasa kurutinga critical cadres bakubasa kujanjaba abarwiri bitaha umunyantuga agire amasiko fezi ya kabiri neza kwijja wagiza kwijja tekateka umwaka gutaka hwiri financial year gitaka hwiri utakaga mu mwaka kandi ukateka mu mwaka financial year so tutaka chiro kwa mkaga kwa mwaka kwijja sente tekateka muntekateka yitu community affairs tekateka sente zintwa kwa series ya PDF negumiza mone marire mirumo ya phase 2 etukuteka nayo kugira ngo neza gukora ahafro area hasi na nahamo cara hasi.
Reka tumuriho tujagaruka naganda makuru.
Weno rukundeba yenda kwabara ngo business yo rukora twegendesereze sente zo mushaho banka zikiza zine mobile banking twege okukwata sente tukazitaha amasumu tukazisindika accounts zitu muri banks zones kubikamo na sakozi chikwere kushika aho rukushopinga utarukwata cash erukorgamo risks zo kunaga sente kandi tukahendera takibingire turukwenda n'abana bitu bakaremo kushoma na mnonga ahabwa bashuma ubundi turukuvuga no mahande yitwantura bamutukuza business zitu na nayitu kubantukorera.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byo kwembekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ibindi binji kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalore tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo rero bakwinira amatafari ga buri muringo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena Ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugaine barakoza technology rispiria echo nabyombe chesi changale nkabendera ya Uganda bashangali mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga Ankole Crazy Limited tujende twombeke.
Looking for a university that will shape your future and your character? Join Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing. Applications are now open for August intake. Enroll for PhDs, Masters, Bachelors, Diplomas, Certificates and Higher Education Access Certificates and the Faculty of Law, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Education, Arts and Media Studies, Faculty of Business, Economics and Governance, plus Faculty of Agriculture, Environmental Sciences and Technology. Students can access government loans, sports scholarships, Professor Rukare Education Scholarships and Fairway Scholarships. Apply online at apply.bsu.ac.ug. Call 0707 200 703. Bishop Stewart University. Our God reigns.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumuchidara, kama takajiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Bio nishara keki tukazakunywa mbogo.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushecherera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Tandika izuba ryawe na ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up Fluoride Toothpaste ogira kasheko izuba ryona ombazwa meino ogwatongozibwe hamtindo gwensi yona kandi gukahangura umudali gwa People's Choice and East Africa Award nigukuma kahoko mukanwa karungi gweza meino kwiteshikoko cyo meino kandi gukazibero kurwara kozesa ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up omubirengo bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirimo white gel, herbal mint gel hamwe na red gel buri ka box ka ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up no shanga mu brush ya meno eyabsha gushanje umaduka gona mwihanga na burengero izoba bwa Africa tunga ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up ahabwa kasheko akakusingayo.
Skylight Hotel restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho.
Hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36 36
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi roseful nikangara konkobya mashamera nogwa mutindo roseful isi yokushemera kwanje
okoraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje omugongo takubyamaje no imukora kushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa roseful rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
ndahati nyenchakare nebire byombisho roseful isi yokushemera kwanje
roseful isi yebiroto birungi
Otwiro inechetengo chokushoma bunasi obuzarisa Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi hari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetunjiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kuri ni kugenda umisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju 8 mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal.
Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health.
Nyebiti kubyenda
Penkoni yakwera utamuha umumudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni wanyompenkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakini cyo kunywa chonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje tere kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngasinyode ku mpenkoni ukakase kwata nawe nywako
tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iyo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
omwishongozi wawe ririye nabasuba kweshongorire
yawe no chine ruhanga yakukunda nakukunda ifyata yayo
yachitaguru yachituletera Kampala omuri Serena Hotel ebiruma kumesho tubikoma n'umwako kutandika no shamwenda emiryango neza kuba yigwirwe twatandikira kushamererwa jishuka ngo shigatirwa beshongozi ba gospel bakunda abaratere nanga tukashashanoka ukutaha muri mitwaro leta VIP mitwaro 20 tables a miliyoni 2 ishatu hamwe na nitaneza bamazireyo bishagikirwe TV West hamwe na Radio West Uganda Kumbucha Fresco Supermarket Baka Electronics Agri Motors Ankole Pharmacy Sam's Receipts JBL kumanya bukiraho terazura mushaje 8 50 54 nkaga nina
amabasha kanje
kuruka mukahumura muganda makuru umurokore umurikashari mbarara abarokore umurikashari mbarara bashabwo kurekeraho umuze gwo kusiba no kurara mu makanisa ngo nubashaba ibyo kutangaza byagambwa Pastor Chamhanjire Eliaso wa Divine Harvest hakuzika pastor owayo kize bintu bye ombyo munju ngo moyo kwera no wamorekire
wire omumakuru gita Agacencwire twakoreka Pastor Deogratius ahimbisibwe owayo kize bintu bye byo munzu byona ngo moyo rukwera niwe yamworekere ngwa byose
nanyabona abantu matokuza kubona bana kusyareze
ogwa kija yakwatwa polisi eyamutwiro mu irwariro ry'abatabuki b'emitwe ahari Mbarara Referral Hospital echo mugisho mubi ogwa fire kandi yagwa yirwarire rukuru eryambarara kandi yazikwerizo bo mu Karungu Rubindi Kashari Mbarara district
wowe tangari bindi waje nigomba kukuru byomwe nakumanya kukuru akakora izina kandi yakora kurungi moneranga utunzire kumutwara
iteka abanyondo bepaferwa abira ari umuntu omuhabuzi kandi abira ari umuntu arukuremera hanshonga
wani mwendeze chukura chirungi wani Mbabazi hamwe mama yambigere byango mwana sasa munono
ejo muntu wito bambe mutakaja ngo inama ya leta shituka harro abatine sente nyingi onkaba ide sente zikumugasha ahubwo kuba habi natura haba hari hakwe waro mu byando ko mutawuno yo mwangu yahama naye ahama mutawuni hari natura haba hari hakwe itonka government twafego muntu muto new blood ari nabasa ku advicinga no mbere no wakubuza bembeza mu kureba kine mwebembeze gukora takaganira hoga akasharinga nawe ombintu byo gwebembeze
Pastor Chamhanjire Elias owa Divine Harvest Ministry owaburira hakuzika yayihanangitsirizo kweharo kujiro mu kushaba bakebwe bindi byona
ikwabahereza ntushomesa abantu kubarete cyo kigo kweza twe konkato bagira ngo buri izoba ntubantu benda kanisa rero muzakanisa mushijo oboko banzo rwakabiri twine he twakasha twinde kayeba kana aho kusiba maro rero chikasande muretere mukapa noba wabihaye kusiba kanisa bawulunyaha omukasheshe omwihangwe omwazo kato tuzakwinganga bayekanga nije yajati yowe ato omushija nzigiri nakusibira takusiba
Pastor Chamhanjire ona yayoye ko kwatwaho ahabwa ba pastor abarahacho kunyunyute mishokoro yabikiriza barukubiyaho sente
muronde cyo gukora muronde cyo kuragora obaze kubaho obaze kweyemerezaho ebyo byasigara ebyo bigambo mugeza kubuhura ebi niwe biragasi ronde cyo gukora anyariza kuzawa Pastor Chamhanjire naza kunshabira yaza kunshabira mawe waza kuzayo omukansoringi manyane heteke twaro 8 emitwaro 8 nyowe ndio murwire iwo hurire rero mbe nina kurete mitwaro 8 abishe kumanye ruhanga witu turaheze kumanya tuzakuterera
Dr. Tumwesije Dominic murumuna wa Nyakufa yashoborera kumwine nyina ayisirwo burwire bwo mutwe.
The problem that we had, the bipolar problem, it is which quarter, it's to many ndwara yo mutwe. That rapid death, I suspect it to be a pulmonary embolism.
Pastor Deogratius Kukuru aferira myaka nanagumo yo bukuru kandi yasigabana batano n'abakaza bashatu
agana makuru g'ubusasi kandi ubwo yizere kugwa ayirwariro rya Mbarara Referral Hospital mu department y'abatabuki bo mitwe kandi ubwo afire izoba rya koshanye mwebaziyo urwo kubanza kandi bamuzika hati turi omucyaro cyo mu Karungu omuru Rubindi Town Council omuri Kasharnos omuri Mbarara district kandi ndi Evans Taremwa ahabwa TV West omuri Mbarara district.
webare Evans Taremwa hari umukikuru wa Manyonka Kabatorine Victoria umutura wa Rubirisel Mbara City South rukwetombwita abo kuburo butaho bwanyuma y'abantu abatakamanyiro kushenyenjiye nagirango hari obutikirizana na mwine nyina ahanshonga hitaka icari kugirango kibaza kubana ico kikomokireho kumushenyerenju aha mutumye makuru witu yahikomwanyogo
ati murebe nkokuri agama bati nkokugari ningeshonshe kam
umukikuru Kabatori nariyo Victoria w'imyaka ngagana 8 y'ubukuru twamushanga nacura arokwetumbwita bwanyuma yenje kushenywa abantu batakamanyirwe
kokenjura kuzanera bahansi etaham ensheshekera tinyi nahi kurara tinyi naho kustama okuteka nitekera nindara heru nyomuyaga gwaguriyo bona nigargaho ningumandi omumbeho
ugunagira ngwenjura yagwa ne mugwera n'umushana gwajwa no gumutera kandi naye yarensa yishwe kiguru aho butagira butaho
DPC nobora beto kunyenda nichimanya to kunyenda abo kureba nguningamba mazima RDC human rights muzeyi Museveni nakweshengereza naba bakurwanisa anti corruption department bakurwanisa bya corruption nimba shaba mu nyambe I need justice ninyenda justice nyowa hana kwitu tinyina hana chira hando hona nkurira ati mumbinga nzekahi
ogu aino butikirizana na mwinenye na Dennis Kajungu witake rukwingana ikiberne chweka eciro kutekatekwa ho kubana cyo kirugirireho butikirizana obu
washenyirenju yanje ijo mu 2023 ijo mushije bari kumweta Kazungu Dennis yaye kwasirece ya manero C1 namone kogo mwana wa mukata omushicho mukuru omuto arisoroti niho yashwirwe bija batandika ngo akahagura na Monica konka habayo nondi jo mukazi na wewe yagizire ngo akagura aha nibamweta muhimbise Agnes watura unami aho kubo mushanguguri kahiguryo mukoti Kazungu Dennis yayetwa aha obutwa tungirero kase ya high court omu 2024 okwa mukaga Kazungu Dennis akayashenyirenje bire bya haruguru eyemiryango ena ebishenje 8 bagishenya bagiteka hansi batandika kutera n'amatafari support ne ya chairman
ubwo ariyo nashaba government okwija kwiga ababazigu abamushenyirenje amutwe hakiretaho munshongaze areke kubonabona
Dennis Kajungu rukutungwa kakumukuba kwatanise na mukuru w'icyaro cya Rubiri okubona boneso mukikurogu tubakirire kandi ibintu byo batushoborira hanshongeji
ati ubumwanya mbarara high court irene visiting emirundi nkebiri court orders ziyatire woni zigira ngo ninyendi yo mu possession y'umwanya ukona n'abakozi banje na n'abapande konka nyenya mwabazyo undugire Kampala ebyona bibire hontara umuntu Kampala even mbire and Kampala ntwire yoko nanka ni complaint wa principal judge kwengwa tuyambe emishangeje ururwe mbwenu bamanye mukama w'umwanya once and for all ato ebikorwa byona bikozwe nyondi yoko mu office oko kine kinkumanyaho aza nababishenyere police riyo ne bacondoza so iriyo ne bacondoza even na nemishange yemwe ryo wa state aton so ebyo kushenya tinkaye umuntu no buyo kubari yo munzu yawe no dine bushoborozi bwo kugishenya
byo mu kode atesime kuba ni temporaire kwiyaho kote bazaruringa ati umushango bentumane mukama w'ikasano koke kimanya okachi Victoria aina masugeyo ruguru kuri fete dabwe kandi ejeje yakugamba ngo egwi wenyine we yadesingira wenyine sini prayer cyo kutangaza ngo kandi bagizereki bagisinye wenyine abayo bagisinye n'abemereri
gasha kwa Sandeke William
webere Sandeke William abamabaro muri Kabarore bashobirwa bwo kiragiro cha ministry ya government sebyanga okubaza omaraka ekiragiro nkiragira ngo ho kwigura amabara kutandikesha mwenda konka abarukutonde kirabo abagira ngo eci cyorekeriro okubahindura aboro
abashubuzi b'ebyo kunywa nibagirangwe cyo kwigura shahamwe ndakibateganise munonga ahabo kuba tubari kubasa kuya mu sente zo kushashura renti n'emishoro ya kanseri yahigura munonga
ja kutabanizamu ebyentasha ebihanga lino atale ruga rwa football ronka abokuba abamabara they have a chain bena abantu bakora nabo tanka na bebyo kulya omuntu takunywa marwa ataliye not is going to affect the business people. That one is one. Abantu okusanga bena mabara gabe na maduka. Where are you putting that class? Nachone kuba no chechensura muno woli no ku implementing this order.
Aro abantu abokusanga nti nyonta teire mwaka dopyo. Nyonta teire mwaka kon kisobola kukola omulimo gwanyu. Tulekere kurora emirimo yeru kusinga obwingi negaruka hansi abwensonge.
Obwa hati amabara n'agasi bagakingire kandi ahitucire hona tushangira hatarumu n'abantu abarukoro mu mabara nibagirangwa habwe kiragireki emishara yabeshazirwe
jukira ne bosi waffe kibate kimukolera olw'ensonga abatagenda funa sente zagenda tusasula emabega ko tubadde tugulawo nga saawa emu saawa bbiri bakasitoma nga bajja ne tukola ki ne tukola yoko naye ate bwe bagamba tugulewo saawa 9 tekigenda kutukolera
kino kyokugamba abantu kukeera kunywa batakabanize kukora kintu kimu omuntu abanza kukora nikwakora saa mwera kandi minisita ekiragiro kino mu parlamento ngo kitarabireyo ayine ekiragiro kikukiriza kuteeka ekiragiro kikamwikiriza kikaimplementingwa mu bantu kikakiriza
abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe batangirire kiragireki kandi bina amasiko ngunishija kuleta impinduko mu miturire y'abantu
cyobonezi bw'abantu bakuzindukira mu maro kuruganya encakara mpaka rwebaje tufunire issues abantu barwaire ensigo barwaire obune amaro agabokeze habo kuba iziro bwaragyo bwembaganiza hakwanka tundibwa singi 5 or 10 abana baitu baliyo mbafamba hwerekera nyonko mwe best tukwangira madara amabara kukora baitu ekintu batireho kirungi
directive ni kigenderero kyamani tukurora ngo abantu tibasisabwire mu kunywa amaro kandi kuri bayine basemeri kubamba kora that is productivity because government in the program yegi bad kandi abantu bani tubanihira wabayinde ikintu kirokora twine imyoga twine PDM twine youth livelihood
bakuriwe byaro hatano bashaka gukora ucweka ihembe okureba ngo kiragire cyakorwa ombyari barukwebembera
ari mu element ya criminality umuntu bakusiba mu bar akarara mu bar ikimayisa ngo naba atayine cyakora kandi naba ine obwetago obwetago ni bugamba na nyeka na cyakwa naenda kuno ato umuntu okweka guza sente naziha so eki kibahambiriza kwetaba mu bintu ebya criminality
gasha kwa Doreen Nasima
webere Doreen Nasima omuri Rwenzori abaturo muri Kasese bashabirwa kwatanza okurwanza abahecera omuri Rwenzori region na Mnonga district ya Kasese Brigadier General Siza Bahwezi commander wa National Counter Terrorism Center na jirango bashemeriro kuba obujunanizwa bwa buri muntu okureba ngo abahecera ba Allied Democratic Forces barwanswa kandi tubagaruka kuteganza district ya Kasese
Ebi bigambirwa babemba tongoze shikizo cyabeja 38 bishomero rya Mpondwe rubiri ha secondary school abisirwa bahekera ba ADF mu mwaka gwa 2023 mu district ya Kasese.
Laid down there. Now next is while security agencies continue to remain vigilant, we recognize that the strongest defense against terrorism begins with our communities. It has already been said. Through trust, terrorism has an indiscriminate damaging effect when schools, universities, health centers, and other social institutions become targets. Ruberiha and Gichamba incidents were not simple attacks on students. It was an attack on Uganda's investment in education and future human capital.
Zulaika Nafcor project manager w'ekitongole kya Peace Beyond Borders na Prospective Initiative bajyangu bagerizeho kwegesa abantu kureba ngo bamanya kabaka ryo mu kwejwanzi yo mbohekera.
We've made various contributions to the district since we began contributing to enhancing public awareness and sensitization. We've trained local leaders, including from the technical side, how you can use your place as the CDO of Munkunyu Mr. Biaruhanga here, how you can use your place as the CDO of Mariba, Madam Ruth here. How can you use your position to make sure you strengthen community resilience?
Today we are also here to unveil a memorial later today. But I think it's important to say that this is just not a memorial. As I understand it, this is a place where the names of those who lost their lives in the attack in 2023 will remain visible.
Rogers Baruku orichairman w'entebe ya Kashatabwa Town Council ya Mpondwe Rubiriha asimira byo kwerinda bwo kwera abantu okutunga obusinge kuyabahekera bitabejo mwaka gw'2023.
We are indeed touched and we feel blessed to have a nation or a group of people that care for other people. Because if these people were not caring, then the parents today would not be seated here. We the leaders, we would not be seated here because I believe if there was no intervention by that time in 2023, right now would be far away from here.
Niyesi esukuru kuyatsuka niyanga menya obole kintu kyabe muki musukuru igana muyibulya bwe sengata mulangera
Abeja 38 n'abatura 5 bakafa kandi abeji 18 bakabuza misho tino rukumanya hibari amakuru agasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.
Wabere Gilbert Muhanguzi reka tumereho ntujagaka naganda.
Chuchumura kabozi komora kabozi. Chuchumura kabozi tuntumure stressi. Tuntumura burwiro komora kabozi. Oshemezo mu wife, oshemezo mu husband. Komora tukunywa chakabozi multivitamin drink. Chikutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi. Nichikuyambaho kwigura emisi, kireta amanu masyo mubashirira hamwe n'abakazi. N'endijo megasho kwata kabozi multivitamin drink. Otuntumura chubaro na stress. Echo kunywa chakabozi multivitamin drink nichikorwa bakabozi Health Products Limited. Chamibwa UNBS kandi churoho mbipimo bya milliliters 320 omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imotoka z'abakabozi okwedorori hanga ryona okushubara no kumanya biri kuciraho 0702 15 81 Mami!
Wanje sabo.
Ugamotia. Oina kachi. Ha. Kagulini ziteka ko. Teka kagulini. I want everything, eh?
Okay.
Yes. So, when I pay the time, this will increase my loan limit. Hey, Hemutieni Momo. Madam, remove the food. Put more meat. Add the meat. Yes. Hey. Now, these are the fruits of paying your loan is in time.
That's right. Every time you repay your Momo loan on time, your loan limit can increase, giving you access to more money when you need it most. Dial *165*5# to borrow, pay back, and grow your limit with Momo loans.
You have juice?
Yes.
Juice in me.
Hello.
Yes, Mwami Mukasa.
Mutianeyo.
Yono broker.
Yenze broker wa mayumba.
Bangambye ne nyumba za mwenunjiko.
Kitufu. Oyagala yabisenge bimeka?
Nga bisatu.
Ebeyi agigambye.
Bangambye saa 5.
Nedda 7 zali nyamuko.
Yidwaki.
Anti rangi gye tusigisa ya mulembe. Nti ne value y'ekitundu yalinnya.
Musigisaaki.
Global Paints.
Mutya.
Ku ceiling. Tukozesa Global Mat. Ate munda ne tukozesa Global Silk Vinyl.
Singa kwetaga wabweru.
Wabweru tukozesa Global Weather Coat Emulsion.
Owa. Kusiga gye musiga. Ogwo omutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Guli wumite.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
This July, get ready for stories that will make your heart race. From love and passion
to secrets and lies that can ruin everything. Catch the sizzling episodes of Sins and Roses at 4 p.m, Domenica Monteiro at 5 p.m, Be My Sunshine at 6 p.m, and Avenida Brazil at 7 p.m, Central African Time. Only on Novelas Plus, channel 134 on GoTV.
TV West, Hamena Radio West, Uganda Kumbucha, Fresco Supermarket, Baka Electronics, Agri Motors, Ankwale Farmers, Sam's Recipes, JBL, Kumanyabu Kuchiraho, Erasura Mushanju Munanemu, Itanu Zero, Itanu Mwenda, Nkaga Nina.
Come and join us, guys.
Some moments are just for you.
Just you.
Flavor with a zest.
That's amazing.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Here's how you chase that gray away.
Kachi. Kagulinzi tekako. Kagulinzi. I want everything, eh? Okay. Yes. So, when I pay the time, this will increase my loan limit. Hey, Hemutieni Momo. Madam, remove the food. Put in more meat. Add the meat. Yes. Hey. Now, these are the fruits of paying your loan is in time.
That's right. Every time you repay your Momo loan on time, your loan limit can increase, giving you access to more money when you need it most. Dial star 165*5# to borrow, pay back, and grow your limit with Momo loans.
You have juice?
Yes.
Juice in me.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Barara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Business is busy, konkati nyine stock. Omuringo nkogwe no ferwa customer murungi. Na apo ya numeda no basa kutunga roni ombwira. Tunga roni okugendera kimwe shiringi obukikuru 30 omushabiri nina zonka. Torukwetenga kuboye no musingo ningo mwema. Ekikuru downloading apo ya numeda oshaberoni nikiba cyaho. Hatuno basagariza mu stoka yawe. Ohereze ba customer bawe. Otungure na business yawe. Wabo kwatanise n'abantu abashikira. Downloading apo ya numeda okuruga Google Play Store ningo teresumu ya note 8 note ishatu ema ina ema ishatu. Numida fast, simple, built for business.
Feathers sanitary pads with
Amana ABC Feathers sanitary pads tokujara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe n'obusinje bwingi.
Feathers
n'amaani g'okunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje binne by'obukuumi kandi n'amapapa gazo ni maringwa agari kukuleetera okwekunda n'obusinge izooba lyona nekiro. Pads ezi zikasiimwa na awadi za bulenje bw'izooba ya Afrika. Feathers pads nizireetwa omu saizi nyingi aharimu empango neza buliijo kandi nizija na pantliners za busha okuyamba omu mbeera zaawe nk'omukazi. ABC Feathers Sanitary Pads okwoloba amaani obusinge. Feathers Sanitary Pads obukuumi bw'omutaano omu bwire bw'omutaano.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school abalala babane? Everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola? When I'm watching my kazannyo.
Ndabye mbaga ya daddy.
Anti ku highway nga nvuga? Sisumagire ekyo shuwa.
Kati nange bampakingire saa.
Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
From the grandest stage, the badges change, but the passion remains.
It's a special goal. Come at the hour, come at the man.
This football is from the heavens.
What a story this is.
10 months of drama lie ahead. The stage is set.
The biggest stars from the world's biggest leagues on SuperSport. It's on GoTV.
Sibabet kukebet, kubabet kukebet, sibabet kukebet, we wina kukebet, sibamane kukebet, we wangu nile motoka, yes buli mwezi kebet, egaba ye motoka, sibamane kukebet, we wangu nile pichi, anti kukebet, buli week ofunayo pichi.
K-Bet and Vroom! We wina! Kagwira unatele kwa miunga ya chibi, nga kumuloni guno, ogenda kufuna msogu wangu le motoka, pichi, milioni 2 buli wiki, nebila binchi. Gena kumsaiti ya fe ku kbet.ug. Kumuloni guno na waka pesa kukantu poli. Aliko ya toniga star, munana 5 star, 5 star, 3 star, 2 hash. Aliko mtenyiga star, mukaga 5 star, nya star, mukaga star, nya hash. Betting is for persons 25 years and above. Betting is addictive and can be psychologically harmful.
Ochinoreba makuru Agacencwire kwetebekaniza empaka za University kwiza 2026 nikugenda misho kandi abasoroti University abazetebekanisize n'amasiko okuzinga omwaka ogu.
Empaka zitebekanisibwa Vision Group buri mwaka kandi amurundo oguzishakirwa banki nkuru ya Uganda, ekitongole kya Uganda Revenue Authority, Uganda Communication Commission hamwe na nebindi.
Niza kutandika ngambira abazire ni recommending mu downloading app ne abusha ya Google ni budgeta Google Child or Parental Control. So application egi ne yamba abazire kuleba ebintu by'abaana baabo bali ku accessinga bakozesa amasimu gaabo ninga iPads zaabo ninga gadgets zona computers nebindi.
We come to students to create awareness, to educate them about the importance of paying tax, why taxation is important. As a student, yes, you're young, you're still studying, but why do you think we give you this information? So that it can help you grow as a student, it can prepare you for adulthood, can go back, talk to your elders, the people you're staying with, about you preach this gospel.
Abantu bari mu universities ziri kwetaba mu mpakezi kandi bagiraho kuganira.
Twogera ku byankulaakulana, twogera ku byansimbi, twogera ku bya economy. Oba oli musawo, oba oli mulimi, oba okola ki, oba osala mbaawo, oba okola bibumbe, ekikulu kiri kimu kya sente. Sente zino zifunye otya, ozikuumye otya, ate zikoze kuyamba olwekikwakanye ensi yaffe nga bweri.
Kibasomesezza ebintu ebyenjawulo naye nga taxation or tax education mu bintu ebyenjawulo bye bimu ku bintu URA ebyesinza nnyo okuteekako essira. Katugambe tax registration, buli omu alina okubeera ne tin registration rather So abantu abasomi abamu babadde tebamanyi kye bayita tin numbers.
Abeja University ya Soroti batugambira okubetebekanisiza empakezi.
For CI Medical Center, I feel like I've gathered enough information and I believe I'm duly eligible to be challenged with the new areas that I will be asked about. Personally, I treasure so much history and I would wish to go there and be pumped those questions, those hard questions.
Ndiyaha tuliya kwetebekanisa kandi nk'omwana olukwega ebyobushaho nikirungi okwe okuza mu competition zezi kandi okamanya ebiri aheru y'irwariro na n'ebindi bakakubuza ebibuzo kandi n'okubimanya byona.
We are promising that this time round it's going to be our year and we are doing all it takes to ensure that we win it this time round. So the commitment that the university has put, the university management has put in ensuring we are mentored, in ensuring that we are well facilitated during this season 4 is really enormous, and I want to thank them so much.
Omuganda makuru abekikorwa mu mashomero ga secondary basimira okutaho entebekanisa yo kwajana ningashchete debates mu mashomero kandi kibari kugira ngo iki kibayambira okubatyaza no kurwanisa obwesharingo mu mashomero.
Ebi bigambirwa mu mpaka zo kwajana ningashi debate ahabwe hangaryona eziri kugenda mu misho muri mpigi kandi zitebekanisibwa ba Uganda National Students Association kandi nizihindira hari St Joseph of Nazareth omuri mpigi.
Debate nebirenti eporishinje ibintu binje munongo ebibatse kuyinyuma ekaleta Uganda yitu yatandika kutera nkuzo mu somero ya secondary 2019 kashanga like buri mwaka ntaba ucyo bakwita strike mu mashomero kandi naza kureba nte debate itayishomero bitwe bamaze kuji introducing abagitesa n'amana mingi torengwa abana itutwenka tugeza okwihabura tseme kwantije kai umushomero tukigambaho itwenka abana na administration kimanya
zaho jechu wagezo bakweta ngo zo public speech ningo jechu agambira abantu oteti notice tamera chontu chawe tokamanya that's the best of you tokamanya chontu chawe chibasa kwihahara kwisiyahare bukuna kugambira ninga kuchwamba rubirizi konkesha handi impiji abwa eschontu cyanje cyo gamba.
Amashomero agejumbiro mu ntebekanseji gasimirwe kandi agatari kuvyejumbira muna munonga gombyaro gashabiro kutandika ahabo burungi bwo kutyaza beji.
So nosanga some schools maybe the head teachers or the teachers they don't emphasize more on this thing. Mbabirange mtu yokushishobwire instead mbiyamba average. So maybe nosanga if the administration is not supporting that thing at the average where there is no way they will come to know about this.
Bwana kanye Mbabazi wa onsa nienda kusima munonga wa head teachers abo bona abali munonga abo kurugumbyaro mashomero ga kurugumbyaro kushanga ana mashomero ga rugoko za Kisoro Karamoja Gargachori Gargaruwa oko hari ukashanga ngo batamamani kurebeka ngo bija ishomero nkarubirizi ryandeke secondary school kushanga ngabana bari aha twina bana babudo twina bana bari mu mashomero agaga Kampala abakuga wa Kiso district amashomero agakureba ngo kose abana babashe mu kirebe bose mu town bose barebere ibintu ukushanga kamashomero nako garwo ngoko za rubirizo ko munda kandetse secondary school nabo batamamani kurebeka ngo bija Kurgaruvirizi ndetse secondary school Chichwamba high school na St Joseph niko gazoekire district.
Though we had received some catastrophic events at school, but then you were able to hold your arm in your heart and then you allowed us to come and participate and then we grow out our talents, we as the debating club.
Empakezi tanchiro rwo kubanza kanijija ku rwa katano. Omugandi amashomera gazwekire cyanga cya ankore omumpaka za National MDD Festival Garion gakora kurungi omuri Ganga.
Icyanga cya ankore tizwekirwe amashomero mukaga kandi agagona Garion gakora kurungi gebembirwe Mbara Junior School shomero eryizire ryebembira kandi okurwo mcyangeki Mbara Municipal twine integrated Ibanda twine integrated Kinoni twine nagandi hagaru St Helens.
So far this is day 3 kandi turebe ibintu byone bigendaje aho twaherezeho items kwikaka mukaga kandi abana bari performing aje munonga kandi tureba mu safutungo mwanya muronje munonga
twine na Gachirmani agaramu Buganda Road na Kivuru Blue Oasis Tennessee Valley ariyo na za Clevers Origin kandi agagona bihine ryo korabya mwerisho twaka aha cyo kuhayahayana so tutegerize ngu empakezi zibase kuba nizihendera ahizoba ryo rwa gatano aho musinguzi arije kuba naranjurwa kandi akakasubwa engabo eyo mwako
amashomero 136 nubwo gariyo ngahayahayana okurwo mu ihanga ryona empakezi zishajura ba presidential initiative on banana development n'ekigenderera cyo kujanjaje umuranga gwo kutungura kingwa cy'ekitoke omuyihanga no kucyongera omutindo gasha kwa Onesimus Ndianabo na Eli Akiza.
Mwebare abashatu beitu bamakuru Ministry y'amataka iraganisa kurwanza imhondano y'amataka omchange cha Rwenzori ebwambwe Dennis Obo orukure by'amakuru o Ministry y'amataka ubabire bataya iro muri Kasese Land Awareness Week.
Okurwanisa imhondano y'amataka omchanga cha Rwenzori bwambwe Ministry y'amataka babiri batongoza Land Awareness Week kandi mkorekorirwa Kasese Multipurpose Hall omuri Nyamwamba Division Kasese Municipality.
I want to assure you that land is a problem in the whole region. This is true. And one other challenge, I'm happy that we have our lordship, the judge, that land cases in this region are a major challenge. They don't take less than 10 years to be resolved. And what happened? Those who are defranchised of their land, they keep in court for decades and they don't get redress.
There is encroachment of the green belts where the Abikayogwe pass. There is encroachment, and I'm told you are giving titles on the green what? Belts that are supposed to be protected. It is an issue. Pelham and others, not that so that we can look for a solution.
Of government owning so many chunks of land, especially here in Kasese, Rwenzori National Park in the mountain, Queen Elizabeth Conservation Area in the lowlands, Chivale National Park at other side, and we are left with small portion. We have the forest reserve, we have the prisons, we have UPDF farm. We are not saying this is bad, but we are saying on the side of the local population, you find them squeezed in a small corridor.
Abebembezi bajyangwe imhondano y'amataka ne yongera omchanga cha Rwenzori kandi bajyangwe komokireho n'obwitane.
And I'm happy the RDC is in charge of security here, that most of the conflicts we have, apart from domestic violence, the other one is land-related conflicts. They are the majority here. People are killing each other, and it is a very, 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 very big problem.
Kati byapa byafuluma ne birita kwatira ko musolo nga munene nnyo ng'omwana yinchi tasobola kutakira ne njogerako ne mpandikira Uganda Land Commission yawandikira Attorney General n'awandika kati kiri mu Uganda Land Commission bagenda kujja ko musolo gwo abanayinchi babaleetera ebyapa byabwe.
Let us also identify the landless people. This is our country. These are Ugandans who also need to be resettled. If they have no land, let us appreciate that they have no land. If anything, I would like to call upon our district chairperson is here. Why don't you register these people and understand them? Why don't you listen to them? And if you see that indeed they have no land,
abebembezi bahiriye kwetombwita kandi aba ministry babaraganise ngo nshonga zabo nzija korwaho omuganda state minister by'amataka n'entunguka y'endembo Harriet Mbabazi arabwira begariza amataka ga government ompenda biragiro gubagarije waho naho minister najang ministry by'amataka neza kwandika no kore byapa burita kariya government kwetorori hanga ryona kandi omurimo gunguza korwa mbwire bw'emyaka 5 yonka
amataka government itakariyo neri ya Uganda government ineho obuchweka 23 nirita ya government onka nerita kariyo neri ya government ko kurikora mu 10 no shango obuchweka 26 bwonka ngo buri bine record bine bihandi so eri asigara ryona abantu nibariye korera we bintu batakuriteka mu kitibisa so cyaretereza abantu kuriba cyaretereza abantu kuristamaho batikiriza ibibwe bacyaretereza abantu kurikora we bintu kuriguza kandi ritari ryabo
iki ni kihakutuyamba munonga nko yatshobora kugira ngo twabantu gabana
aha keki yihanga twenda kombeka ishomero seed school umurumbarira site tugitengaye cya Rwabuganda seed school ikiri kuba neza tugite ahampa yabari irwaro ikiri kuba nturutamanyu
bigambirwa mu rukiko rutebekanishijwe Ministry y'Amataka n'Entunguka y'Endembo kandi rubira Hotel Triangle aho muri Mbarara
iwe ko kuba no manyangori land officer ori registrar o land office ori surveyor ori tino okoro Ministry of Lands where I'm steering kandi no kore ibintu by'amanyanga iwe batakambingira hamuri nimba nakubingira.
This land which we call government land is our land for generations to come. When it is forestry land, whether it is national park, whether it is a wetland, it is reserved for us, our future generation.
ahitaka rya government ryine kwetorora ihanga ryona obucweka na mukaga rigana ndyo ryonka rine bhandiko kandi billion mukaga shozi bwo kutandika kwandika amataka gona ga government ndi Antatukunda na Gilbert Mhanguzi.
Omakuru agebye mzano timu ya Mbara District hamwe n'abashenyerizo bazatandika namani ogwe ziri kusinga emizano yazo yo kubanza ompira gwebjere omupaka zemzane ya primary za Uganda yona ezatandika rizoba omurumo bende.
Omizane ya primary ya Uganda yona Mbara District yatandika kurongera kusinga abim gori na haryemwe omuzano gwa group D kandi timu ya Bushenyi District na iryo mu group G yigura here kusinga Arua gori mwa hari 0 timu zombi ziryo mu group emwe aho zine Mushema na Rukunjeri ecyatangaza abatebekanisa okushanga ngo timu ziri kurugwa mu cyanga kimwe zona ziryo mu group emwe yakira
Ija Sande kandi hati screening timu zitsaramuje twatera match yo kubanza twakwatagana munana district ya Arua twatandika kurungi kandi twasinga district ya Arua na gore mwe omurusha mibende ebonire abana binamagara marungi batanga kurungi
Emzaneji erimwo kubaka handball hamwe na volleyball kandi emzaneji yona yatandika kuzanwa rizoba gasha kwa Aloysius byamukama omurimo bende
webere Aloysius byamukama timu yihanga yabari yansi emyaka 20 ya Uganda Hippo eri hakutendekwa kwa mani omukampa cha Injeru kwetebekanisiza empaka za Sekafa under 20 ezomwakogo empaka ezimzija kutandika 2016 kusibira 30 kwezo kurukwisha kandi zija kutebekanisibwa mu Tanzania
ikampu n'abasambi 27 abasambi abo bali mu shape nungi okujja ko musambi omu alinamu ku buvunavune naye nga bonna twabalonda mu timu zaabwe nga bali mu condition nungi badde bakola pre-season ewabe nga betegekera ligi abasambi abo ndoza bali mu shape nungi tugenda mu Sekafa ndoza nga tubategese bulungi jukira nti tuli wano mu kampu ene yenjeru wikisinga 3 ennaku nga 2 tujja kubeera wano nga training nga wetulonda team then tugende Tanzania mu tournament ya Sekafa e tournament bagikozesanga qualify era ya AFCON ya under 20 egenda okubeera Ghana so tuli wano nga twetegeka nga tuloza tujja kuvaamu n'ekirungi ekinasobosa okubeera ne results ennungi mu nkambi ne mu tournament eyo
webere okuba omulebe mulungi w'amakuru Agacencwire n'Agakusiona Mbabazi Charity na Sunday Brand tunda kubendeza omwebazi omulungi agandi gategereze izoba lyanye nshakari Otarga TV West.
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
yejumbira Mbabazi ogwa Abacedent na Fresh Up dero oyongera kusheka mu bantu otine kwetina aha kasente kache munonga
tungaroni okugendera kimwe shirinjo bukikuru 30 omushabiri nina zonka torukwetenga kuboye no musingo ningo mwema ekikuru downloading app ya Numida oshaberoni nikiba cyaho